There's a story I'd like to share, one that's been shared many times over. A tale of a saint from Ireland, and not the saint with the clover. Today we celebrate her feast day, one of the patron saints of beer. Let's raise a glass and a toast to Saint Brigid of Kildare. Sure, everyone knows about St. Patrick, but there's a story of another Irish saint, Saint Brigid of Kildare, and I'll tell you about an Irish red ale I made called Saint Brigid's Feast. For this batch, I used reverse osmosis water treated with calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, and sodium bicarbonate to reach my target water profile. I'd like to give a lake of beer to God. I'd love the heavenly host to be tippling there for all eternity. The grain bill consists of 91% pale ale malt, 3% crystal 40, 3% crystal 120, and finally 3% roasted barley to provide a reddish hue. I'd like the people of heaven to gather from all the parishes around. I'd give a special welcome to the women, the three Marys of great renown. The mash was held at 67 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes, and then heated to 75 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes for a mash out. The grains were rinsed and the wort was heated to a boil. I'd sit with the men, the women, and God, there by the lake of beer. We'd be drinking good health forever, and every drop would be a prayer. The wort was boiled for 60 minutes, with a single hop addition of East Kent Goldings at the beginning of the boil. The wort was cooled, and 2 packages of SafAle S-04 from Fermentus were pitched into the wort. Fermentation started at 17 degrees Celsius for 3 days, before raising the temperature to 18 degrees Celsius for the remainder of fermentation. After fermentation, the beer was transferred to a keg, lined with gelatin, and carbonated to 2.4 volumes of CO2. Cilantro.